Hello there, everybody. This is Slade here again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Guardstation on your PC so that you can view your Uniview cameras remotely. So if you look down in the description below this video, there will be a link that's going to take you to this web page. Now yours is going to look a bit different. It's just because I'm using a dark theme in Chrome, so it makes it look a tad bit different. But down here, you will see if you're using a Mac, you'll want to download this one. If you're using Windows, 95% of people are going to want to use the 64-bit. If you download the 64-bit and it doesn't work, come back and try the 32-bit. But I'm going to download this here. All right, it's downloaded. Go to my downloads. I'm going to want to extract the files because it's a zip. So here I have the extracted files. Go in here and here's the program. Gonna double click that. Alright, so it's gonna bring you to the setup wizard to install this software. So go ahead and click next. Next. And install. And it should begin. There we go. Go over here and click finish. You can minimize your tabs here. And somewhere on your desktop, you're going to find this icon here. It's going to say Guardstation 3.0. So you're going to want to open that. Go ahead and click yes. All right. Now when you first log in, you have to log in with this information. All right. The username is going to be admin. And the password is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So admin and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go ahead and log in. Now that we've logged in and you've opened it up, you will have already created a Uniview profile that you would have used to log into the smartphone app. So if you come down here to this user management, I'm going to full screen this here. If you come down here to user management, go ahead and check this and click edit. Oh, I'm sorry. No. You're actually going to want to add. So you're going to go in here and add. Make sure this says administrator, so you give yourself administrative privileges. And then here in this username, you're going to want to type in the exact same username as your app, which should, in most cases, be your first and last name. So I'm going to put in the one that I use. Then in password, I'm going to put in the password that I use for my account. And then I'm going to confirm it by typing it again. And then I'm going to hit add. And what that does is it just logs you into that existing information. So when you get out of this tab, you should have your devices that have been shared with you. So I'm going to come up here to this. I'm going to hit this X to go out of that tab. And then I'm going to go into the device management tab. So come on over here. And then if you go to cloud device, you're going to click login, and you're going to put in that information that you just filled in on that other page. And then for me, I'm going to be the only one using this computer and logging in here. So I don't want to have to log in every single time. So I'm just going to click auto login. And I'm going to log in. And then all of my devices here that I have registered to myself or have been shared with me, I have those here populate for me. And they show offline right now. It'll take a second. Yeah, there we go. It'll take a second for them to start popping in. But this, your device should be in this menu right here. And then if you wanted to now view your cameras, you could close this tab. Come on over here to the live view with the camera eye on it. And then you can just simply pull, click, and drag a device like this and drop it in. And it will load up all the cameras. So I hope that helped. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos to come. And have a wonderful morning or afternoon.